What's going on, everybody? We are now in the backyard, and this is just going to be the start of several videos to reclaim this space and turn it into what it once was, if not a little bit better. First up, the thing we need to do most is actually get things cleared out. You notice the trampoline is gone. That's been gone for a while now, and I'm left with a lot of weeds, overgrowth, fallen needles from those Leland cypresses that have filled up the swale. So we're gonna get all that cleaned out today, get these beds looking a little bit better. They are going back to grass. We're going to simplify things back here, make it easier to maintain, less yearly mulching. So let's get to it. It's going to be a ton of work, but in the end, it's going to be absolutely worth it. Okay, so a lot was accomplished today. However, I'm out of time. I do have to go get cleaned up. I have a webinar with a masterclass with Dior for the new Sauvage Extrait that came out just the other day. So I want to learn more about that and how it was made, because I love my fragrances and perfumes now. But a lot of this cleaned up, 2 wheelbarrows full of debris pulled out of the swale, and thinking about it, since everything in the flower beds are coming up, all this rock that's been here, where I was gonna one day rock everything down this way, I'm going to move all of it down, and wherever it ends, and then we'll transition the rest of it back into grass. It'll probably be a mixture of fescue for right now, and then I'll throw down probably some ryegrass, maybe some KBG, because this area is heavily shaded. I wanted to film from this location to show that. And where I'm actually standing is still predominantly Kentucky bluegrass, back from my Blue Muta days. So that's the game plan for this. You're gonna see here in a couple weeks what we're gonna be doing with everything that I'm pulling up there, and then we may still keep a little bit of something along the fence line back there. Haven't decided yet, because it does kind of dip down into a hill, and if I ever wanted to greens mow or robot mow again, that area might cause a little bit of a problem. So we'll see on that. But backyard is underway. Lots more to come with it. So hey, it's Mike. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Hit the like button, share it about. And if you need any fragrances, go look at my videos on TikTok. I'm gonna try to keep those minimal here on YouTube, except for the important shit. So until next time, we'll see ya. It's hot, I'm sweaty, and I need to take a shower.